Welcome, in front of me is a THL T7, and today I will show you how to access the factory mode. So, get started, we'll need to power off the device, hold the power key and select power off, and then confirm it. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we will hold power key and volume down together. So power and volume down, hold those two together. You can let go now. As you can see, we're now in the factory mode. So basically the first option, you can run some tests on the device, and then you can scroll down at the eMMC as basically a factory reset, and then the last option is a reset or reboot of the device. And you can just navigate this menu by using volume up, or actually volume down only, apparently. So volume down to go down, just cycle through, and you use power key to confirm whatever you have selected, like so. So now the device is booting back up into normal Android. And we're back into normal Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.